In today's video, I'll teach you how to avoid getting banned from Facebook Marketplace. If you fear getting banned from the Facebook Marketplace, what you have to do is follow the Marketplace community standards in order to avoid getting banned. Also, make sure to avoid selling the prohibited items. Do not sell weapons, illicit drugs, animals, counterfeit items, or tobacco products. Also, make sure to do the unique listings. Avoid spamming or posting the same item multiple times. Use unique titles, descriptions, and photos for each item. Also, make sure to use an established account. New accounts that immediately start listing many items are frequently flagged as bots or scammers, and Facebook might ban you. So, make sure not to do that. Also, be responsible while listing the volume. If you rapidly post dozens of items, it might trigger spam algorithms, so make sure to avoid it. Make sure to do the clear communication, promptly reply to buyers, and avoid rude or deceptive behavior in order to prevent the reporting. Also, avoid the scammer behavior. Make sure not to use the same IP address or device for multiple accounts, and also avoid switching the locations rapidly. After you follow all these guidelines, you might be able to avoid getting banned. So that is how you avoid getting banned from Facebook Marketplace. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.